Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Gravity Forms to Monday.com. So if you go to Monday.com's integration and if you search for Gravity, you get basically nothing, and that is because Monday.com does not have a dedicated integration for Gravity Forms. But we can use a third-party tool to achieve this functionality, this integration, and that tool is Zapier. I really recommend Zapier because first of all it is free and you can do some really cool automations using this free software. So go to Zapier, press create button, press Zaps. Zap is basically an automation between two applications. So here, as you can see, we are in our Zap editor, and you can use this AI feature, but it is not very useful. I'd say it is not ripe enough yet to use, but you can create an automation manually by pressing on trigger. Now in trigger you have to add the app from which you want to send data to another app. So let's say I want to send data from Gravity Forms into Monday.com. So I search Gravity, I get Gravity Forms, select Gravity Forms, and in event I basically need to select what should trigger this automation. So I select form submission. So what it's going to do is whenever there is a new form submission, it is going to send data to Monday.com. Press continue. Here it will ask you to connect your Gravity Forms account. Just connect your Gravity Forms account by pressing sign in, and then click on this second action button. You click here. Now you have to search for Monday.com. Select Monday.com, and in the event you can select anything, like what do you want to happen in Monday.com. Like you can archive item, you can create group, create item. Let's say I want to create an item. So what this automation is going to do is whenever there is a new form submission at Gravity Form, it is automatically going to create a new item in Monday.com. So that is perfect. Press continue. It will again ask you to connect your Monday.com account. Press sign in button, and it will take you to sign up page. Connect your Monday.com account. Then you basically get the option to connect your accounts, and that's it. That is basically it. So this is how you connect Gravity Forms to your Monday.com account using a third-party software like Zapier. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.